Okay, so I am at the church and we've had some leaks in our drain pipe. And this is between the ceiling of the sanctuary and the top floor, second floor anyway. And if you can see in this cast iron pipe, there is a crack, at least from here, going all the way down to there. So what I did was I used a wire brush and also used I used this thing here on a drill to clean the pipe off, and I got some adhesive from the plumbing store in my area here, and they really recommend it. It's called PC11, and I'm going to put PC11 on here because I repaired one part of this pipe already and sort of did a good job on it, but it's done. And that was all cracked, that little elbow, cast iron. So now, after I patched that, I found they had another leak, and here it is. So I'm gonna patch this, and it's supposed to be hold up better than JB Weld, so okay. We're gonna give it a shot. I'll show you the package that it comes in. And here it is. This is called PC11. And comes in 2 containers. You mix equal amounts, and then you go ahead and you place it on the crack or patch, whatever you're going to do with it. So I'm going to put it on, and then we'll get back to you. Okay, so what I did was I took 2 equal amounts of both containers here and put them on the little cardboard, and now I'm going to mix them together. And I think I'm going to apply it with my finger this time. I think it's going to be a lot less messier, and I think it will be a little more even. So I'm going to mix them up until they're thoroughly mixed, and then I'm going to place the compound on there. So here we go, and I can't mix it while holding the phone, so sorry about that. Okay, so here's the compound pretty all mixed up now, and it pretty much turns white. So now I'm going to apply it, and then we'll see how it looks. Okay, so I put on with my finger, one finger, I smeared into the line of crack along this cast iron pipe, and I think I sealed them pretty good. I'm going to put on another coat. I'm going to let this cure for 24 hours at least, and then I will put in another coat just to be sure, and then we'll water test it and see what happens. So there you go. A lot easier. It's supposed to be a permanent repair, so a lot easier than cutting out cast iron pipe, breaking out, and trying to put plastic in right away. If this holds for a while, hey, I'm satisfied, and it cuts down the bills too. Okay. I'll probably do a water test later on before I put this video up. Okay, this is a continuation of this repair of this cast iron pipe. Put the second coat on this long pipe. Some of it didn't need it, but I just put the whole length of it anyway, and even down a little bit on the other elbow. And I am running water from the bathroom sink. I also flushed the toilet, and there is no leaks. I don't see any leaks at this point, and it looks like this PC11 stuff really did the trick. So the hardware store I went to told me that it works even better than JB Weld, so I took a chance on it, and this stuff seals pretty well. I did the elbow over here. Now I did this straight long one. I believe that is the residue of the cracks left, and seems to be working well. Okay, so just to let you know, if you want to try the PC11, try it. Can't hurt. It washes it. By the way, I applied it from my finger on this here last pipe. I used my finger pretty much to apply the compound. So and it makes it smooth as it can be. So and it comes off your hands very easily, so that's no problem there. So make sure you wire brush your repair as clean as you can, and then mix the compound in the right manner and mixture, and then apply it, and it should do well for you. Okay guys, have a great day, and we'll see you later.